Okay, so this just suddenly started again. The sound, and it's not the VCR. I unplugged everything. But it sounds like the VCR room winding. I had unplugged the TV and it still keeps turning on. Whoops, the baby's clinging on to me because he's scared. Let me re-unplug the TV again. Okay, everything's unplugged. There's no electricity or anything going on back there. Baby, it's okay. So it just does this every, whoops. I don't know, I haven't figured out if it's every hour or every 30 minutes or what. I'm going to start timing it right now. It is almost 1 o'clock. Let's see how long it takes, because this time I'm with a camera. It's okay, baby. But I've investigated everything. Look, I even checked the VHS and DVD. It's okay, baby. Don't worry. It's okay, Mama. Mama's here. Mama needs us. Let's just see how long it takes. I've touched everything. I think it's coming from. I don't feel anything actually vibrating whenever I touch it. Like, it's like impossible to pinpoint so far. But I'm thinking maybe it's coming from inside the wall. It's okay. It's okay, baby. You're okay. You'll be fine. Mama's here. Mama okay. Mama's here, baby. I love you. I love you, my little boo-boo. Uh-oh. Let's just see how long this takes. It's been 2.5 minutes now. What's here? What is it, baby? What's here? Chia. Kojas. Instead of where is it? What is that? Instead of chia. Uh-oh. Still going. It's been 3.5 minutes now. Now it's been 4 minutes. And it was about just less than a minute when I started the camera rolling. It had just been going for just less than a minute, maybe a half, like maybe 30 or 40 seconds. So, let's see. Okay, and it ends just like that every time.